MUSU has protested over the failure to repair the varsity's campus roads, gate installation and security deployment by locking the administrative block and carrying out academy activities shutdown. Undergraduate and postgraduate students of the varsity initially stormed the administrative block and held talks with the officials before locking the block. Speaking on the sidelines, DMUSU President Chalamba Khagembam decried that relevant authorities has paid no heed to the demands till today, despite blocking the campus roads in recent past. He went on to state that the dilapidated road condition has caused many inconveniences to the college students, while also highlighting the disturbances created by the construction of a bridge near the college campus at Khuyatho.
DM campus manung chana leiba lambi asi ngasi numini humni phaugi mamangda akhoi lambi thingjakhre southern gate ta adubu karisu effective way amata ngasi paliba Manipur government gi makha dagi kaisu action am talok ko ude maramdi kaina kanda ngasi mani akhoi gi university asidi state asigi makha da leiba university oibana akhoi Manipur governor da akhoi gi agenda sing asi khoi khongjang changsin jabani khoi gi maru oiba agenda di university asida gate pandaba university oi haliba ase athu matam da gate panbiyo security deploy tawbiyo amasung lambi phibam yamna khudong chadre dem campus ta leriba lambi mafam khudimak loinaba khudong thire maram aduna si haiba agenda hum asi athu matam da tawbiyo haiduna mamang dagi akoina media briefing adagi ozabisi unaduna Tungan ba wafam sigasi thamjaki ba leire ozabisi gi site gi so ai besaral iri haraga hong ba amata uba phangdabana maram orakanda class activities amasung administration asigi activity ba bukta koi block tawrage haiduna ngasi dagi shut down to sunjare hariba shut down asi hayeng dagi hoduna security deploy atuba matam da tawbiyo lambi sembiyo amasung gate panbiyo hariba agenda singasi asigi hong ba mata leitaba taraga di koi makhata na university asi koi shut down tawani haibu wafam se thamjari